snap, see red. And I've got to sort it out because I can't keep fucking up all my relationships. When I started seeing her, it was a complete head fuck. Because I'd never felt like that about anybody before. And I doubt it was just a bit of fun because I was shit scared.
Tell your wife.
I just want to get away from here. A new life, whatever it takes. Free from the past. After all this time.